Wake up. We have a long day ahead of us. While you're preparing to take on the day, we're getting ready to serve you ahead of time. At Belati Wangsa, we're bringing along our synergy, tenacity, and commitment towards maintaining safety on your everyday path. We're on our way to serve you the best of road maintenance services so you can move further. We look deeper and see clearer to ensure your journey will be a smooth one. We're embracing sustainability and leave behind a positive legacy for yourself and those who came after. We're connected seamlessly in our process, so your ventures would not be hampered by roadblocks. We're making things clearer for you to march ahead on the pathway of success. We're staying ahead of the curve and paving the way for a smooth journey. We overcome challenges for you to unlock your true potential. We help you focus on what really matters. Leave everything to us. We ensure your journey in life is a safe and comfortable one. Let's go the distance on our journey. We pride ourselves on the quality of what we do. For you to make a living and achieve greatness. At Belati Wangsa, we work towards maintenance excellence. With over 20 years of experience and over 1,500 kilometers of road maintained, we have what it takes to ensure your journey in life is a smooth one. We bridge progress and compassion along the way, where every positive action leaves an indelible mark on hearts and lives. Through the best of our services, for the best of you.